This is an SOS. This is an SOS. First mate, Strange and Trippy, coming to you from the Lyre boat. We need help. We've been at sea for 243 days, but we were only supposed to be on a 3-hour tour, guys. Send help. Please send help. The captain's gone crazy. We can't stop him, but he's been sick, so we don't know what's going on. We're scared. I'll be right with you guys. I have to get to the ship's log. The ship's log. I have to log everything. I have to log the truth, guys. I'll be right back with you. Hey guys, I gotta write in this log right quick. I can't let the captain find me. He's been a lunatic. He's been crazy. We've ran out of cold medication and we don't know what to do. And we can't get back to shore with him being all over the place, being sick all over the place. So I have to tell the truth in this log before I abandon ship, guys. So alright. There's my pen. Ship's log. First mate, Strange and Trippy, reporting on day 200 and sorry, my days are so confused. It's 253, guys. On the Lyre boat, on a 3-hour tour, guys. We lost our way and have found out that the captain is a total lunatic. We've tried to relieve him at first when we saw how sick he got, when all the medicine ran out. We have all ran out of rations and water, but he keeps telling us we need more money to save more people. More money, more people will be saved. That's all he says to us from his captain's cabin. He's lost his mind. But I was able to save this without anybody seeing. We've been days and days and days without food or anything to drink. I saved the last bottle of hot sauce. And this is Dirty Bird's sweat sauce. We'll get into that in a little bit, guys. So now I'm going to eat this sauce, guys, so I have the strength to swim to shore and save my life from this captain and this lie of a boat and the lie of a captain. Well, I've got to do this quick, you guys. I know what the liar is, or who knows what the liar is going to do next. Well, let's get ready to put her down the hatch. Dirty dicks, birds, dirty dicks, dirty birds, sweat sauce, all natural. A heat scale 2 out of 4 on the side, guys. This is from Lake Worth, Florida. You can find them at dirtybirdsauce.com. Yeah. So, kind of smells like teriyaki, like a hot teriyaki. So, guys, Dirty Birds, let's have a little sip of this, get some more strength so I can swim to shore. Kind of tastes like a spicy teriyaki, like soy sauce, like beef jerky. Sorry, lost my words. Everybody here is lost on this boat, so. Anyways, Dirty Birds, guys. Let's get this down so we can have our strength to swim to shore. Because I'm out of here. Everybody for themselves on this boat, so Pretty bad when the first mate has to take off too. Getting there, guys. It's been a while since I had anything really hot. Not so hot, but anything hot related. Ever since the first blow. So, kind of put me off on the heat scene. So that's why I've moved into the challenge scene. But it seems like now the heat guys, you might see in their videos, are trying the challenge guy stuff and failing super bad. But anyways, you might see those kind of videos around. Check it out. So, like I said, guys, Dirty Birds, Sweat Sauce, the original, all natural, 4 out of 5. Lake Worth, Florida, dirtybirdssauce.com. Just a little bit left, guys. So, down the hatch. Great tasting sauce. Even better probably on steak, chicken, fish. I can name them all. It tastes great on everything, guys. Well, guys, it's been nice seeing everyone. And guess what? Everyone for themselves. And man overboard. See you guys on the next one.